YouTuber, so I probably ran across your channel.
We are out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, my new hometown. I'm originally from Milwaukee, but we're trying to show people the power of financial literacy and understanding the power of credit. Let's go. So, we are here with the lovely
Denise Whitehead from Atlanta.
What brought you here?
I'm out here several times a year.
That's a flex, huh? You just
Yeah. Well, I travel. That's what
talk
I do.
your stuff.
Yeah.
First question. You get all of the questions right, I'm gonna give you $20. So the next drink is on me. Y'all may have to call mama a cab after this. What we talking about? We talking about financial literacy. If y'all get it right, $20. Say no more? Oh, you're confident. Okay. What's your name? KB. What you do, KB?
Singing, man.
You a singer?
Vega.
Vega, what you do, Vega? I produce.
Yeah.
We can't make this
Dynamic
shit up.
duo right here.
We can't make this shit
Yeah,
up.
dynamic duo.
Okay. First question. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. I got it.
We didn't say lifelong.
Oh, I don't get a lifeline?
This is who wants $20, not who wants to be a millionaire. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
Experian.
You know what? Let me just talk to my man. Let me just talk to my man.
Hold on. I'm thinking it's so belt. Hold on, one more time.
Yeah. Ain't no practicing.
No. Experian, TransUnion. Experian, TransUnion, and I forgot the third one. I just got my credit right. Hold on. This the easiest one too. My bad, bro. I forgot, bro. I smoked too much weed. I'm sorry.
Start with an E. Start with an E.
Huh?
Start with an E.
Michael? Which one is this?
Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian.
That's
bro.
what it is.
Come on, man. I tripped. Do we have another brave
You
soul
got me
here?
up here, baby. Let's go.
From Canada.
Vancouver, Canada, baby. I'm here
Canada.
getting drunk before EDC.
How long you been out here?
6 hours.
You just got here.
I just flew in
And you
today.
already saw.
I was filming a music video in Vancouver yesterday.
Okay, who was the artist? Was it Drake?
Me.
Oh.
It's my music video.
What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
That's a good question. That's a very good question. It's too bad I'm a DJ and not a banker.
At what age do you generate a credit score?
Oh, that's a good question. I would think 18.
Great answer.
It really should be 16 because 16-year-olds work and they should be allowed to
I
build their
agree.
credit.
I agree. You know what? 80% of the people get the first question wrong.
Really?
Yes. What's going on, man? What's up, bro? How are you? Pretty good. I ask people financial literacy questions.
Okay.
You get it right. You get it right.
You came to the right
I
people.
give you $20. Who wants to answer?
One of these. I'll take a shot.
Okay. From Vancouver as well?
Yeah, originally from Vancouver.
Okay.
Yeah,
Originally from.
yeah.
All right, Mr. Tony. What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
Wait, in America? States?
In America.
From Canada.
So, the first question, what are the 3 major credit bureaus, man? You need a lifeline? Huh? What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
I just feel like you spoke to me in another language. I don't know.
All right, first question, Dominic. You ready? What are the 3 major credit bureaus?
I'ma steal this shit. I don't even know. I heard this shit in school too.
You know what revolving credit is, and then you know what installment credit is.
Installment is, I guess, where you make payments. I'm assuming like your mortgage or your car payment, things like that. Revolving, I'm assuming like credit card debt.
We got one of the smartest women in the world. Let's give it up for her.
Because I have an 804
She
credit
has
score.
an 804. We gotta let our community know this information.
For sure.
This is why I do this.
For sure. That's what has to happen. That's the only way we're gonna progress as people, man. The only way. Hey,
What y'all out here for?
I want to tell y'all something. Ain't nobody spending their own money, man. They use their credit. They use their credit. That's what they doing. Don't touch your own money. Trust me, all right?
Las Vegas, Nevada. Today we was on the Strip for the Street Cred series. We had a great time. Again, this is why I say this spells opportunity. This means I got a lot of work to do to go out here and continue to educate people in financial literacy. So, Will Roundtree, Las Vegas, Nevada, Street Cred. I'll see you at the top. Let's go.